Welcome to a new tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to create a cool map code like this and how to easily implement it into your maps and your games. So first we will need a HUD message device, and most people just use their map code right here and display it on the player's UI on the top center. But we are gonna create a widget blueprint and do it a different way. Also make sure to watch the video till the end and join the Discord server, because there I will give away some of those custom banners that you can easily change and use for your background of your map code. So first, right click here, create a widget blueprint. Use a widget. I'm gonna name it WB map code test, since I already have the one that I just displayed. Double click on this one. Now drag in a canvas panel, gonna make it full HD. Now we're gonna drag in a text block in here, and we're gonna change the anchor position, since we have the anchors set to the custom placement. And here we have selected top center. We need to do the same thing for the anchor here. So top center. Now we're gonna make all the values 0. We're gonna change the alignment so it's in the middle, as you can see. And there we're gonna enter our map code. So this is, by the way, a random map code. I don't know if it's even available. So just make sure to drag in your map code. If you don't know how to get your map code, you need to release your first version, the map. So you need to release a map, and after that you will be able to see your map code, and then you need to update your map with your map code in it. So I'm gonna change the size to something like 45, and I'm gonna align this and this, and I'm gonna just gonna delete the values. Again, as you can see, we're right in the middle, and here we are basically done, and you can stop. But we want to create a cool looking map code, and that's why I'm gonna add in a font material that I'm also gonna provide you with. So I'm gonna provide you with this folder right here. If you have problems with arrows, just make sure to go in here, drag something and apply and save this. Same thing with the other materials. And now I'm gonna drag in the M font material right here, so the glint font material. And as you can see, we already have a nice glint effect, but something is missing. For me personally, the outline is missing, so I'm just gonna change the outline size to 1, and you can see we already have an outline. If you want to have a shadow, which in my opinion looks very nice, just go down here to shadow color and increase the alpha value, and you can see we already have a nice looking shadow right here. You can make it bigger or just increase the offset. As you can see here, it's bigger this way. It looks nice. And now we can also add in the outline. You could also change the color of both. So you see here, now we're changing the color of the shadow. You can do whatever you like. I'm just gonna do it like that for the demonstration. And you can also change the outline color. So you see here, you can go very crazy with it. And as well, the color of the text can also be changed. And last thing, which you can also change, is something very cool, and this is the glint color. So if you go into here, you can change a lot of values up. So you can easily just change the delay. So you can make the delay so it's every 5 seconds. You can change the speed, you can change the line width, as you can see here, make it very small or very big, and that way you can really adjust it. You can change the colors as well, and that's a pretty easy way. Just make sure to select this material right here and have it put on user interface, and that way you will have no problems. And there you go. I'm gonna compile this and save. After we're done, we can just put this into our HUD message device. So you can just either copy this and enter it into here, or you could easily just click here and select it, because you know how you named it. It's pretty easy to click it, and we are basically done. If you would like to add in a custom banner, for example, looking like this, it's pretty easy. Just gonna do the same thing in here. So just drag in an image and adjust the anchors, the alignment, change the values up. And as you can see, we already have a nice looking block right here. Now you can just easily change the size of it. See here, you can just change the size, and now you have a custom banner already made. But I'm gonna give you some better ones, so just letting you know. And with this banner, you can also change the color of it and the opacity, obviously. Here I'm gonna put some cooler ones in here, and how to display it, it's pretty easy. Just change the values up. So just gonna make it bigger a bit, and obviously also wider, so like that. Maybe I'm gonna change the values, position it higher. You see it's too big, that's no problem. You can put it like this, or even like this, then only the part from here, from this line, will be visible. So that's pretty easy to to do. So that's pretty easy to do, and you can play around with it and have fun. You change the values. You can also put a glint effect on here. Just create a material, make sure it's set to user interface, and then you can just take the glint effect and put it here, connect it, and there you go. There you can now put the material inside of here, see, and we can change things up even more. And when we go into the material, you see we have a glint effect behind of it. Cannot change it right here. If you want to change it, make sure to create a material instance. So right click on here and create a material instance. Now we have a material instance, and you see here when we enter the material instance into our project, we will see something like glint color and glint lay and all the other settings that I showed you before. See, it's our glints, it's visible. And if you're wondering how to change the background color now, it's also pretty easy. Just go into the main material and hold down 3, right click on it, convert the parameter, name it color. I'm gonna multiply this and then connect it with this, and that's pretty much it. As you can see, it's now white. When we apply this and drag out the material instance, you see now we have a color that we can change, and here you can change all the values that you want. We go here and save this and put this into white. See, we get what we create here, so we can really customize stuff. And when we save this right now, we have this looking banner. It doesn't look nice, but you get the idea that you can create it yourself and customize everything as you want and need, and it will display on the HUD message device. Here are the settings that you need, just so you have all of them. And I hope you liked the video. Make sure to watch other videos and subscribe for more. If you would like to support me, make sure to use code UNFABLE in the item shop. It would really mean a lot. And see you in the next video. Bye.